What's going on, everybody? Yesterday I made a new video. I was testing my car with my boy. He got a STI 2016, I think 15 or 16. He dynoed his car. He got intakes, headers, couple stuff. The car made 317 and 380 torque. And I was testing my car with his car, and I got some pretty good runs. So I'm gonna show you guys the papers of the dyno, mine and his, and then after that I'll be showing you couple good races, and you guys gonna like it. I'll be making another video this week. I just ordered a NVIDIA a catback for my car, so I'll be making a video on that. Stay tuned, and I'll be racing again with him. It's not gonna give me any like horsepower or nothing. It's gonna be a good sound, but yeah, we'll be making a video. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel if you want to keep watching my videos and keep an update with all my videos. I'm also gonna be making a video of my car, like a couple stuff that I got, a couple details, that way you guys know what I have, and that's it. So Spanish, estuve corriendo con un amigo mío que le está haciendo 317 y 380 de torque contra el mío que es 35 y 241 de torque. Estuvimos ahí, fue una buena carrera. So voy a estar haciendo unos videos, les voy a estar enseñando los papeles del dyno, y después voy a estar haciendo un video de el carro, de todo lo que yo tengo, para que ustedes sepan couple details, los detalles y todo. So, y si quieres suscribirte en mi canal para que te quede atento a todos los videos que yo haga, go ahead, hit that button, and I see you guys on the next video.